Hello everyone, welcome to Rod's Repairs. Today I got a good one for you. You guessed it. I'm going to show you how to replace this weather stripping on the quarter glass on the 1973 Mustang Coupe. It's not too bad if you know what's going on. You can do this in the car also. On the quarter there's like a little black cover that would sit like right underneath the glass where the glass would actually come down into the corridor. Just take that out. You'll have to dick around with this part. So yeah, in order to get this rubber out, you have to bend. You have to take a screwdriver and just kind of bend this a little bit right here. I like to heat it and break it free because there's a metal piece here that runs through the channel here on this rubber weather stripping, and they pinch it in here, and you ain't getting this out unless you pry that up a little bit. So here, let's go ahead and get this done. So first thing I like to do is I like to heat it. I just like to heat that little area. And just so it moves quick. And then you can either use like a putty knife maybe. Just bend it a little bit just to break it free. Kind of like that, nothing big. I warmed it. So then I got my trusty helper out here, the bud man. So then you just grab it. It runs in a channel here. So inside of this chrome piece. So you grab it and gently break it free. See it? There's a channel in there. Now they don't glue it or anything, because if they did, you wouldn't be getting this out. So there you go. This is what you got. I recommend maybe putting some soapy water on it when you install. It won't hurt it. Or you could put a dab of oil on it. Oil is probably even better. But yeah, I got the new ones on order. Probably won't get them for a week. Just cleaning up the quarter glass. You can't put them in dirty, and you can't put them in when they look like that. So, but let's go ahead and throw this back in. It's not that big of a deal. I'm going to do it dry because I don't want to mess around. So first thing you want to do is this, like this here is real pliable. But you see how it's bent? That's kind of how you're going to want it, because it's got to go over, it's got to kind of go into there. So go ahead and get it in the channel. Straighten it out if you can. It's kind of going in a little tight because there's no lube. Kind of get it to come out of there a little bit. Bring it back. You're going to have to hold this area down with your thumb, because it's got to come back into that channel. So I bring it back just a little bit, and I hold it down with my thumb. Make sure it clears. This one here wants to. There, I just kind of pushed it in with my screwdriver. It's got to get back in there. And then you can see it kind of wants to bunch up a little bit, so you just hold it down, because it's real thin. You just hold it down, and you kind of just push it in with your thumb, and slide the molding down all at the same time, just so it goes in there. So there you go. The metal part's gonna stick out. You're not gonna see that anyway because it's deep in the corridor. It fits nice and tight right here. You know you got it. You know you don't want it to sit like that. Just pull it back. There you go. Done deal. You don't have to put any adhesive in there or anything. It'll be fine. So that's how you put weather strip on a quarter glass for a 1973 Mustang Coupe. Hope you guys like the content. Please like, subscribe to the channel. It's going to help me grow. You got any questions, leave me a comment. Hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.